I wanted to talk to you more about some math symbols today. I can see that a lot of you are busy practicing on IXL, and I see that you're getting pretty good at remembering that this is called the plus sign. And when we do the plus sign, we're putting together. We're getting more. That's for the plus sign. We've also learned about the equals sign. What does equals mean? Equals means the same as, right? So over here, I could put 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is the same as 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. There's a different symbol, though, that we have not formally talked about. I'm sure you've seen it, but I want to tell you exactly what it means. It's a straight line across. It's the minus sign. Say minus, minus. And this is what we use in subtraction problems. When you have math happening where you're losing something, where part of it is going away, you are not getting more, you would use the minus sign. So I just want to show you a few examples of that before I assign some of that on IXL. Okay, so let's pretend that I had 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And okay, let's pretend that they were candies. I had 3 candies and I ate 2. I'm not getting 2 more. I ate them. They're going away, so I'm losing some. I would cross out 2, and how many are left? 1 is left. So for this equation, for this math story, I would have to write 3 first. I started with 3. And then I do minus. That shows you had 3 and then you lost some. How many did I lose? I lost 2 to my stomach. How many were left? 1. So let's read this sentence like we read a sentence in a book. I had 3, I lost 2, and that's the same as 1. If I have 3 and I take 2 away, I have 1. So now I'm going to flip-flop that. And first I'm going to show you the equation, and then I'll show you how a picture would match it. So when you see this, think to yourself, is this showing that I'm getting more or losing some? I see the minus sign, so I must be losing some. I had 4, I lost 2, and that's the same as 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2, so I had 2 left at the end. So what I would want to do here is draw 4. That's how many I started with, right? There's 4, and then how many got taken away? 2. And how many were left? 2. So I can check my picture to make sure it matches this sentence. Did I start with 4? Yes. Did I cross out 2? Yes, it's another reason why we cross out instead of erase. So we can check that. I crossed out 2, and there I see 2 left. Good. Let's do one more, and you can try it if you have a piece of paper or a whiteboard, and then we'll do our calendars. So just like last time, I'm going to write the equation first. Let's read it together before we do any pictures. Okay, ready? Read. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, so how many circles are we starting with? 5, right. So draw your 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we lost 3. How many should you cross out? 1, 2, 3. And how many circles do you have left? 2. And does that match your picture? Great. So we just drew a picture that shows 5 minus 3 equals 2. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, let's get out our calendars. Today is a special day. I wonder if anybody remembers why. Somebody's turning 6 today. It's Jimena. So happy birthday to Jimena. Okay, let's open up and we'll start counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Wait a second. I said I was going to have you do calendars by yourself today. Okay, so you keep going, but I will tell you it did turn out to be yellow today and sunny. And make sure when you are writing in today's date, you're thinking of Jimena and wishing her a happy birthday.